Fundamentals of Bicep. Bicep enables you to deploy Azure resources. Bicep uses a declarative syntax that you treat like application code. Treating your infrastructure as code enables you to track changes to your infrastructure requirements and makes your deployments more consistent and repeatable. If you're familiar with the JSON syntax for writing Azure Resource Manager templates, ARM templates, you'll find that Bicep provides a more concise syntax and improved type safety. In fact, Bicep files compile to standard ARM templates. Take this learning path to get started with Bicep. In it, you'll decide whether Bicep is the right choice for your deployments to Azure. Understand Bicep's declarative syntax and the structure of a Bicep template. Apply Bicep features such as parameters, conditions, and loops to control how your infrastructure is deployed. Define modules that break down complex deployments into smaller and more reusable components. Each module in this learning path provides options for use with the Azure CLI and with Azure PowerShell. You'll use Visual Studio Code to write and validate your Bicep code,